Hello, welcome to the video. So today I want to introduce how to use StatCrunch to get the hypothesis testing for the mean values when we have unknown standard deviation. So let me start with the scenario. So this scenario is for the used car dealer, and he claims that the mean listing price of the last 12 months is at least $23,500. So we have the claim, which is the mu is greater than or equal to $23,500. So this includes the equal condition. So we have the null hypothesis as the mu is greater than or equal to 23,500 because we assume that the equality condition in the null holds when you do the hypothesis testing. So this condition should be the null hypothesis, and alternative hypothesis is the complement of this. So we have the mu is less than $23,500. And you suspect this claim is incorrect, and then we want to find out the random sample of the 14. So we have the random sample of the 14, and then we have the mean price as the $21,558. And a standard deviation of this sample is given as 3,350. Means that this is S. The sample standard deviation is given as 3,350. And we have the level of significance alpha as a 0.05. So we set up all the things here. And then what you have to look at is, the first thing is, from this one, from the alternative hypothesis, we have to identify if this is a left-hand test. So this is the first thing. And the second thing is, we have the X bar, and we do not know about the sigma, right? So here, we can get, this is the t-test we're going to use. We're going to use t-test with the degrees of freedom. And this degrees of freedom is n minus 1. So this is the 14 minus 1. We have 13. So we're going to use the t-test using the degrees of freedom as 13, and then we do the left-hand test. Okay, let's move on to the StatCrunch. So in the StatCrunch, we have the t-stats under the stat tab, and then we have one sample and with the summary. So click this one. And the sample mean is given as 21,558, and we have a sample standard deviation as 3350. And the sample size is 14. And we have the alternative which is the less than this one. And then we have the hypothesis testing here, that is the null hypothesis, assume that we have 23,500. And we use the level of significance as 0.05, so we set up all the things clearly. And click compute. You see. So, in this case, if you have to construct a rejection region, so rejection region is, here the test statistics is less than the critical value, T0. Here the test statistics is negative 2.169, that is T, and we have the T0 as a negative 1.7709. So it belongs to the rejection region, so we reject the null. So their claim about we have the mean price, which is at least $23,500, it is rejected according to the data we have. And also we can make a decision using the p-values as well. And here the p-value is given as 0.0246. And this is less than the level of alpha, which is 0.05. So because of that reason, we can say that also we can reject the norm when we have the p-value is less than the level of significance. So our conclusion is to reject the null, meaning that we gonna have sufficient, we have enough evidence to reject the original claim that the mean list price is and is 23,500. Thank you for watching this video and see you next week. Bye.